Today I'm going to teach you how to make a New Year's mini arrangement. Okay, let's start making arrangement. So we need a small container with filled rocks, or if you have wet floral foam for arrangement, you can use that one too. We use a solidago, 2 pushy willow stems, 2 spray mums, 1 hypericum, and 3 pine needles. I got it from walk and I found it, so I'm gonna use this one. And then this one, it's called Mizuhiki. It's red and white. That's the happy special occasion color in Japan. So let's start making arrangement. First, you grab a tall pussy willow stem. You can use bamboo or any stems as well. So it goes in the back middle. And then shorter one goes in a little bit left and front here. And then grab a longer stem spray mouth. It goes between 2 stems. And then shorter mum going to under the first mum you put in. And then next, you're going to put this red berry under the tall mum. Then you're going to use 3 pine branches. 1 going to between those 2 willow. Just putting them a little harder with the rocks. Then another one goes next to shorter mom. The last one goes to under the red berries. So imagine to try to make triangle with 3 pine needles. Then you're going to fill the space with solidago. Let's put it in the back. Then a little small one goes in the left side. Then you can use this Mizuhiki for the accent. Okay, this is the arrangement. It's very simple and easy, so have fun at home and enjoy. Thank you. Have a safe and wonderful New Year.